Yo guys, check this out. My account is exploding with resources and gems right now. This is absolutely insane. Follow every single step, they all matter. Stay locked in and you'll blow up your account like mine. Alright guys, first step, grab your Android phone, head into settings, scroll down and look for apps. Now tap the search icon at the top, type in DLS and open the game settings just like I'm doing here. Alright guys, once you're inside the game settings, scroll down a bit and tap on battery. This step is super important. Now make sure it's set to unrestricted, not optimized. This is super important to keep the game running and always connected to the internet. Next step. Open Google Chrome and focus up right here. This part is super important. At the top, tap the three dots, then hit settings. Easy stuff, just follow along. Perfect, now tap on privacy and security. Then scroll down a bit and hit the section called do not track. Now make sure this option is turned off, super important guys. This keeps the method smooth and working with zero issues. Alright bros, now type in this website. Make sure you spell it exactly right. And if you didn't catch the link, don't worry, it's right there in the pinned comment, my friend. Here it is guys, this is the site, just focus on it right here. Now tap the yellow button you see and it'll take us straight to this page. Now that we're here bros, this is the site interface. As you can see, it's asking for your basic account info. To get that, let's head back to the game and open the game settings. Super easy guys, just copy your game info, head back to the site and paste it right there. Right, we're back on the site. Paste your info right here my friends, then choose your device, Android or iPhone, and now the fun part. Pick your resources, always go for the max, let's blow this game up. Alright my friends, now just wait a moment. The site is creating a secure connection to its server and syncing with your game to verify your info. Once that's done, it'll start loading the resources. So be patient, don't close the video, this part is super important. Alright guys, this is it, the final step. The site needs you to complete a quick human verification because there's huge traffic and some people out there are actually selling resources, so they need to make sure you're real. It's super easy, just follow what it says. It might ask you to download an app or finish a short survey, but listen carefully. Never enter any password, ever. Once you complete the tasks, my friend, just wait a few seconds and head back to your game. You'll see everything added all at once or even live just like you saw in my video.